Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Dark Vanguard character from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to draw the helmet first, and we're going to draw the visor. So it's going to be kind of pretty round. So we can draw two brackets like this, and then we're going to connect them with a nice curve. So it's a very simple shape. Alright, so once we have that, now we can draw in the top. So the top, we're just going to curve it around. Let's give it a nice curve. Okay, and then from there, now we can just work our way down. We just come in a little bit and just kind of come down. And then we're going to close it off with almost the same curve as that one, the one on top. Alright, and then we're going to extend it a little bit. And then we're going to come straight down. And then we're going to draw the same curve. Alright, so it's a very simple head shape, and then on the edge right here we'll add a little bit of detail. And it looks like there's going to be some lines here, so right in the middle, and then we'll just draw two more on each side. It's going to be pretty dark, so you probably won't even see those. So that's pretty much the head. Now to move on to the body. So we're going to start out with just kind of come out a little bit, and then we're going to come straight down. Okay. This is going to be the strap and also the chest area. So just kind of curve it out a little bit and curve it in. It is a female character, so we're going to curving in. And then for the strap right here, we're just going to come in a little bit and then go out. So we're coming in straight down, and then we're going to come back out a little bit. Okay. And then from there, we can draw in the waist area. So we're just going to continue this line, just kind of pinch it in a little bit. Just kind of pinch it in. And let's finish up. So this, she doesn't have a belt. So we're going to come out a little bit. This is actually going to be her waist, her thigh area. Okay, and then we're going to draw in those two very cool looking shapes. The padding right here. So we can actually just come down like this. Okay, and then we can close it off. And then now we can continue that curve all the way down. Okay, and then we'll just give this padding right here. This is going to be a little border area, little edge. Okay, so we can finish off. Let's see the details right here. There's going to be like a zipper thing going on. And I'm just going to go over it twice because it's a little bit thicker. It's right in the center. And then there's going to be some lines here. I'm just going to draw two more. Okay, and that's pretty much the body, and right here is a little bit of valve. I can actually draw another circle just to give a little bit more detail. And then in the middle here, we can draw a little bit of line. All right, so we can add in some more detail on the padding here, but let's move on to the arms. So for the arms on the shoulder, we're just gonna come down. And draw that and just kind of close it off. It's a little bit of a strap right there. And we're just going to continue down a little bit. That's going to be the elbow area. So from here we're going to come out, and then we're just going to close it off. And again, this is kind of cool. This is like some kind of glowing band. Okay, so we're going to come down a little bit and just close it off. I know there's a lot of little sections. And then we're going to come straight down. This is going to be the arm. Close it off. Okay, so now I know it's a little messy right there, but once we color, we'll be able to see what we're drawing. So here's going to be her hand. Okay, so just close that off, and then her thumb's going to be right here. And then the other finger, just kind of curve it And then let's give the another finger inside. All right, and then let's see, there's gotta be a little bit of a detail here. Looks like some kind of gear sticking out. And we can add in, we can add a couple of straps in there too, but I won't go all the way through. And then on the shoulder, there's gonna be some detail. Just we'll add 2 lines like that. All right, so that's one arm, and let's move on to the other one. So the other one's gonna be the same. So curve it down. We're gonna have her holding a pistol. Okay, strap. And then right around here, come down. Just make a little hook there so we know that's gonna be her elbow area. And then same thing here. If you want to, you can actually just draw a little bit lower, close it off, and then add in the little stripe there. Okay, either way it works. All right, so let's keep going. Okay, let's close that off. That's gonna be the arm. Now for her hand, so we're gonna draw, just come out and just draw a little hook. Okay, so that's her thumb and that's her palm. And then now out here, it's gonna be the trigger finger. We just draw a little circle like this. Okay, and then for the other finger, we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. It's kind of hard with a Sharpie, but okay. And then from there, now we can draw the little grip on the pistol. So just come out from here and just kind of close it off. And then to finish off the palm, it's gonna be easy, just do that. And then for the gun, let's see, we can draw kind of like almost like a guy line here. So it's gonna be slanting down this way. And then we can finish off the trigger. We can just draw a little 2 lines like that. Not too much detail since we're drawing pretty small here. And then for the gun, okay, so we'll just kind of draw a rectangle. Slant it down here, and then come down. And then we can just kind of curve it in just to close that off. And then now let's see, for the details on the gun, we can just go straight across. And then from here, draw another line across and curve it in right around the trigger area. Some details here. Here's the hammer on the back. And then there's gonna be some lines here. So I'm just gonna draw 4 on this, and then 4 more toward the end. Okay, and then let's see the sight. And we're gonna give her, let's give her a little laser sight thing. So just kind of come out. Maybe a little bit more detail here. Okay, so she's holding a, I think that's the hand cannon. All right, so let's move down to her thigh area. So straight down, just draw a little line in the middle. And then now I can draw in her legs, her thigh. So we're gonna curve it. Okay, just draw 2 curves like this, and then on this side as well, draw 2 curves. This is gonna be symmetrical, and we can extend this line a little bit. Okay, so it folds in the clothes. So now we can draw in, let's see, let's come down, and this is gonna be her knee. And then for the clothing, on the boots, we're gonna flare it out, and then just kind of close that off. And then for, let's see, it's gonna be a little bit of detail here, so we'll just draw a little bit like a knee pad underneath the clothing. So now for a boot, it's actually pretty simple. We just kind of slant straight down, and it's gonna be really wide. Close it off. I'm gonna draw another section. Okay, and then for the boot here, we can just kind of come down, and for this one, we'll give it a little bit more detail. So we'll close that off, and then there's gonna be, this is gonna be the tip. Just curve it, and then this is gonna be the sole, just kind of go all the way back. And then it looks like there's gonna be some kind of little bit of triangle here, so I'm just gonna draw a little shape there. And then let's see, on the boot here, we have to draw 2 lines. This is gonna be the glowing area, which is gonna be really cool once we color it. Okay, and then from here we can draw in, well, we can finish this part. There's gonna be a strap here. And a little bit of some kind of gear there. All right, so let's move on to the other side. So again, the knee, we can kind of match this area right here. That's how far we know, so we know how far to go down. Okay, and then we're gonna close it off. And again, on the knee pads, I'm just gonna draw maybe just 2 this time. All right, so going down, straight down, close it off. Again, a little rectangle. And then we're gonna come straight down, just match the distance there. And then this side, we're gonna come out a little bit more. And then we're gonna close it off. Now for the tip. And then just go all the way back. And then again, the little triangle. And then the awesome looking stripe here. And going back up to the little strap here. Again, the gear. All right, so now we can add in, let's add in a little, oh, we almost forgot this. It's got 2 lines right here on the shoulder. And then for the details, like here, there's some kind of padding, so we can just draw like lines going this way, and then we're gonna cut it across going this way. So it's very simple. Okay, so in this one, we just draw a few lines going this way, and then now we'll go the other way, so we're just basically making a bunch of squares. And then for the clothing, on the legs here, we can add in a little bit, some lines here, because it's kind of bunched up. It's the astronaut clothing, I guess. Okay, we're just adding a few lines just to make it a little bit more complicated. And that is it for this Dark Vanguard character from Fortnite. It's a very cool looking character, just like the Dark Voyager. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.